What if I told you there is a phone that can take amazing photos and videos in any light, with a camera that is as good as a professional DSLR? A phone that can handle any app or game with ease, with a fast processor and plenty of memory. A phone that can last all day and charge in minutes, with a big battery and quick charging technology. A phone that can do all this and more without costing a fortune. Would you believe me? Well, you should. Because this phone exists. It's the Vivo X100 Pro, the best flagship phone of 2023. Let's find out if this phone truly lives up to the hype or not. The Vivo X100 Pro is a flagship phone that offers premium features and performance at a mid-range price. It has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate, which means it has a smooth and responsive screen that can handle any content or game. The display also has a 1080p resolution, a 20:9 aspect ratio, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, which means it has a sharp, wide, and bright screen that can deliver vivid and immersive visuals. The display also has a punch hole cutout for the 32MP selfie camera, which can take clear and natural selfies and support face unlock. The display also supports HDR10+ and has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which adds more security and convenience to your phone. The Vivo X100 Pro has a quad camera setup on the back, which consists of a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 50MP telephoto camera. The main camera has a Sony IMX686 sensor, which can capture detailed and colorful photos and videos in any lighting condition. The main camera also has a 4-axis optical image stabilization system, which can reduce blur and shake in your shots. The ultra-wide camera has a 120-degree field of view, which can fit more scenery and people in your frame. The telephoto camera has a 2x optical zoom and a 10x digital zoom, which can bring distant objects closer and clearer. The macro camera has a 2.5 centimeters focus distance, which can capture the tiny details of close-up objects. The Vivo X100 Pro also has a dual LED flash and a laser autofocus system, which can improve the quality and speed of your photography. The Vivo X100 Pro has a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 processor, which is one of the most powerful and efficient processors in the market. It can run any app or game smoothly and without lag. The Vivo X100 Pro also has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which can handle multitasking and store plenty of files and media. The Vivo X100 Pro also has a 4500 mAh battery, which can last all day with moderate use. The Vivo X100 Pro also supports 100-watt fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. The Vivo X100 Pro also has a USB-C port and dual SIM slot, which offer various connectivity and expansion options, but it lacks microSD card slot and 3.5mm headphone jack. The Vivo X100 Pro also supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC and GPS, which give you fast and reliable wireless connections. The Vivo X100 Pro runs on Android 14 with FunTouch OS 14, which is Vivo's custom skin that adds some features and tweaks to the stock Android experience. Some of the features include a dark mode, an always-on display, a game mode, a smart assistant, and a gesture navigation system. The FunTouch OS 14 also has a minimalist and elegant design, with a clean and intuitive user interface. The FunTouch OS 14 also has a lot of customization options, such as themes, wallpapers, icons, fonts, and animations, which let you personalize your phone to your liking. The Vivo X100 Pro is a phone that has it all: a stunning display, a versatile camera, a powerful processor, a large battery, and a fast charging technology. It is a phone that can compete with the best flagships in the market, but at a fraction of the price. It is a phone that can satisfy any user, whether you are a photographer, a gamer, a binge watcher, or a casual user. It is a phone that deserves your attention and consideration. So, what do you think of the Vivo X100 Pro? Do you like it? Do you want to buy it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Critic for more honest and unbiased reviews of the latest and best gadgets. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.